The project, the consortium, is made up of 8 universities around Europe, and we also have 15 industrial partners. The students, the early stage researchers, as we call them, they have a 3-year employment contract with their home university, and as part of their studies they also need to spend 1 year at a partner university. So they spend 2 years at their home university, 1 year at partner university, and also 3 months in industry. So when they graduate, they are trained in multiple aspects of academic work, but also they have an industrial component to their training too.
So what is our scientific goal? We deal with what we call complex oscillatory systems. It's some subject where we indeed unite people from different fields. Some of us are physicists, some mathematicians, but we also work with neuroscientists, we work with physiologists, and this is because this phenomenon of oscillatory dynamics and oscillatory behavior, it is also in, everywhere. It's not just you need to make a very complex physical experiment. You just you fly from Europe to America, you experience jet lag, and this is your oscillatory system of day and night periodicity of your organism need to be resynchronized to new conditions, and this is one of the subject of this field of science.
So the project features 8 institutions with 15 advisors. We call them PIs, for principal investigators. And actually I had the honor of being one of them. So we are, of course, as faculty, very grateful to be involved in this project. It was for us the first major appearance on international landscape, scientific landscape in European Union. And actually today I kind of am the person who was in charge of organizing the meeting that we are on today. So actually one of the ways that Cosmos Consortium communicates is through organizing a meeting roughly every 6 months. And each partner was in charge of organizing one of these meetings. And actually the final meeting kind of fell on me. So overall, I think it's been a great experience for me as well. I mean, I was one of the younger advisors or PIs. I worked with much experienced colleagues, and I learned a lot. I mean, how to advise a student, how to extract full of his or her potential.
We have 25 publications so far from the students, and I know quite a few are in preparation. So we have quite a high publication rate. And also some of the papers that have been produced, some of the software that's been produced has involved more than one student. So this interdisciplinary aspect of their work is, they haven't just worked on their individual project. I mean, they have worked on their individual projects, but there's also been this cross-fertilization of research, which I think is very beneficial.
I think that this project was wonderful. I think we have been really, really lucky to be part of this project, since we had the opportunity to interact with so many people, to travel so much, to go to conferences, and to know so different way of working.
Career-wise, definitely, I think it was good because it introduced me to the people who work in this field. So apart from great guidance, I also got connections of the people who are dealing with similar things that I'm interested in.
I think with this experience we gained like a lot of personal independence, also scientific, like a broad scientific view on things, also different angles, and yeah, I guess we're well equipped for future challenges.
Now, after 2.5, almost 3 years, everybody is quite satisfied. We do hope that students as well. So we did, I think, very good research, and also we educated a number of students who are enthusiastic and will form and shape European science in next years.